the size of array. Now we will first print this before passing it to our sort algorithm. Now we will call our show function and pass it to array and a size. Now we will sort the array by sending the array and size to our sort algorithm. Now we will again print this array to check if it is sorted or not. Let me just align this code. So yeah, I've proper commented this code so you can see this. Now let's run this program and see what we will get. So you can see at first we have our unsorted array, and at second number we have our sorted array. So it has done the job quite well. Now let us see how we can achieve quick sort in C++. So I will delete all of this. And we also do not need this, so it's okay. Now first of all we will define our function for partition. It will accept an array of integer type and an start value or index, and then an integer type of end index. Then inside of this function we have our pivot, which will be equal to the start of our array. Next we will have our count will be initially equal to 0. Then we have our for loop. Now for the body of this for loop we will have our condition if the ith index of array is less than or equal to pivot, then we will increase the count by 1. Next we will write our code for giving the pivot element its exact location. So I will make an integer of pivot index and really initialize it to start in